Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Kotlin tutorial, we are diving into multi-line strings and how to clean them up using some handy methods like trim margin, trim indent, and trim. So what are multi-line strings? In Kotlin, you can create strings that span multiple lines using triple quotes. So this is great for large block of text like HTML, JSON, or SQL queries. So let me show you how it works with a basic example here. So here I'm going to declare a multi-line string here. I'm going to create a variable with name multi-line and it will have multi-line string. So this is going to be the first line and I'm going to copy paste this line. I'll name it the second line and I'll name it the third line. Okay, so I'll talk about this method later, so I'm going to remove for now. Let's print this string here. So let's run this. So first, as you can see, the triple quotes allow text to span across multiple lines exactly as you type. As you can see, it has printed this same as you typed. So what if I change the spaces here? So it will print it as it is as you have typed it. Okay, now let's talk about the trim margin method here. So when you are dealing with indented code, Kotlin provides the trim margin method. It removes leading space up to a specific margin character. So in this case, we are going to talk about the pipe margin character here. So let's see this. Okay, and I want to add a pipe margin character in front of all these lines. So let's create a trim margin method here. So what does this method do? This method removes the leading space up to this special character here, which is a margin character. So let's run this to see how it works. Okay, as you can see, it has removed the leading white space from these three lines. Okay, so you can also change the margin character. So here is an example how you can use the greater than symbol instead of this pipe margin. So for that I can use this symbol here. Okay, and here I have to specify this margin character here. Okay, let's run this. So as you can see, it works like it works for the pipe margin character. So you can add any special character here and it will work the same. So now let's talk about the trim indent method. So this method is useful when you don't want to specify a margin character but still want to remove any common leading white space. So for that I'm going to remove these characters and I'm going to use the trim indent method here. Okay, so this method will remove the leading white space. So in that case we don't have to use any margin character. Okay, as you can see, it removed the leading space while keeping the alignment consistent. So now let's talk about the trim method here. So this method basically removes all leading and trailing spaces from the entire string. So it is great for cleaning up accidental spaces. So for this I'm going to create another variable here and I'm going to name it messy text. Okay, so I'm going to give a leading space here. So the text is going to be okay, I have to give space here and I'm going to space at the trailing as well. So I'm going to remove this one. So let's okay, so let's run this to see. Okay, so as you can see, it has removed this leading space and also it has removed this trailing space as well. So, and that's it. Today we have covered multi-line strings and methods like trim margin, trim indent, and trim to clean up the text. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials. So, see you in the next one.